It's now 10 p.m., and I've turned off the lights in my room to sleep. After dozing off for a while, I suddenly hear a buzzing sound next to my brother's bed. Startled, I wake up. It turns out he is being bitten by mosquitoes. Why am I getting bitten by mosquitoes while you aren't? Do you want to know why mosquitoes prefer you over me? Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Good Knowledge channel. Do you ever wonder why mosquitoes keep biting you while they leave others around you alone? In fact, certain groups of people are more attractive to mosquitoes than others. Did you know that humans aren't actually what mosquitoes prefer? While male mosquitoes tend to avoid contact with humans or animals, their favorite food is the sugary solution from plants. Only female mosquitoes bite. They actively seek out and draw blood from vertebrates to provide themselves with energy. Mosquitoes rely on various attractive features to select their prey. Not everyone gets visited by mosquitoes. Did you know that mosquitoes have their own preferences when choosing their meal? Some studies have shown that blood type can affect the likelihood of being bitten by mosquitoes, with blood type O potentially being more prone to mosquito bites than other blood types. According to a study published in the Journal of Medical Entomology in 2004, volunteers with different blood types participated in an experiment to see how Aedes albopictus mosquitoes reacted to them. The results showed that mosquitoes preferred to land on the skin of people with blood type O. The study also indicated that this might be because people with blood type O secrete certain chemicals on their skin, such as lactic acid, ammonia, and carbon dioxide, at higher concentrations than people with other blood types, making them more attractive to mosquitoes. Compared to blood type A, people with blood type O are twice as likely to be bitten by mosquitoes. Blood types B and AB are also less attractive to mosquitoes than blood type O. It turns out that people with blood type O may secrete some tastier chemicals. Who would have thought that just having a particular blood type could make you the main course at a mosquito feast, right? Have you ever heard someone say that mosquitoes like fragrant meat? This isn't without some basis. Each person has a unique body odor, formed by the bacteria on the skin and the natural chemical compounds produced by the body. Studies have shown that mosquitoes are attracted to certain specific scents. If your body emits a scent that mosquitoes don't like, your chances of getting bitten are significantly reduced. On the surface of our skin, millions of bacteria live symbiotically. These bacteria break down sweat and sebum, producing chemical compounds. One of these compounds is carboxylic acid, which research has shown to attract mosquitoes. People with higher levels of carboxylic acid on their skin tend to attract more mosquitoes. Additionally, these bacteria produce a range of other compounds, such as lactic acid and ammonia, which are also believed to attract mosquitoes. Lactic acid is produced during metabolic processes, especially when the body engages in physical activities and sweat is secreted. Lactic acid is one of the most attractive chemicals to mosquitoes. Some mosquito species have receptors that are particularly sensitive to lactic acid, allowing them to locate their prey accurately. Ammonia is produced from the breakdown of proteins and can be found in sweat and breath. Ammonia, along with other nitrogen-containing compounds, can attract mosquitoes from a short distance, helping them pinpoint the exact location of their host. Body odor depends on many factors, including genetics, diet, and personal hygiene habits. For example, certain foods can affect your body odor. Garlic, onions, and other strong spices can create a body odor that is unattractive to mosquitoes. Foods high in sugar can make your body odor more appealing to them. Your body odor is like a perfume for mosquitoes. If you have a scent that mosquitoes don't like, you'll be bitten less often. If not, good luck. Female mosquitoes have a series of sensory receptors to detect information from hosts, similar to a search radar. According to research conducted by scientists at the University of California, female mosquitoes have many receptors on their maxillary palps that help them detect carbon dioxide. This compound is produced from the respiration process of humans and animals. When you exhale, CO2 from your lungs mixes with the air, creating a trail that mosquitoes can detect from a distance, often up to 50 meters. CO2 is considered an important indicator for mosquitoes to locate potential blood sources. People who exercise, are pregnant, or have a slightly chubby body weight tend to exhale more CO2, and therefore, it's like waving a red flag inviting mosquitoes. This is because a higher metabolic rate leads to an increased amount of CO2 being exhaled. When mosquitoes detect CO2, they fly upwind to locate the source, which is typically humans. Once they get closer, mosquitoes use additional cues such as body odor and temperature to find a specific spot to bite. They particularly like people with high body temperatures. This includes those who frequently exercise, walk briskly, or are in hot environments. When the body heats up, mosquitoes can easily detect and find you. High body temperature increases the infrared radiation emitted from the body, which is an important signal for mosquitoes to locate and select their target. Mosquitoes, especially disease-transmitting species like Anopheles, which transmits malaria, are very sensitive to this radiation. In addition, mosquitoes can quickly sniff out certain other odors such as lactic acid, uric acid, and many other compounds found in sweat. Bacteria on the skin break down sweat into compounds that produce distinctive odors, some of which are particularly attractive to mosquitoes. A study published in the journal PLOS One in 2015 indicated that genetic differences can affect body odor. Identical twins have similar levels of mosquito attraction compared to fraternal twins, suggesting that genetic factors play an important role in attracting mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are particularly sensitive to the contrast between an object and its background. This explains why dark clothing, which creates a stronger contrast with the environment, attracts more mosquitoes. According to a recent study, mosquitoes are particularly attracted to bright colors such as red, orange, and black. Dark colors absorb more light and can generate more heat, making you a more attractive target for mosquitoes. Conversely, light colors such as white, light blue, and yellow reflect more light and create less contrast with the surrounding environment, reducing the likelihood of being detected by mosquitoes. Some species of mosquitoes have the ability to perceive polarized light, which helps them detect objects based on light contrast. The material of your clothing also affects whether mosquitoes can bite you. Thick fabrics, like denim or tightly woven materials, are more difficult for mosquitoes to penetrate. Wearing long-sleeved shirts and long pants can help cover your skin, reducing the surface area exposed to mosquitoes. Using mosquito-repellent clothing or clothing treated with insect repellent is also an effective measure. Mosquitoes are often attracted to dark-colored clothing. So, if you don't want to become a target for mosquitoes, try wearing light-colored clothes. Areas with stagnant water such as ponds, lakes, ditches, and even small puddles in gardens or backyards are ideal places for mosquitoes to lay their eggs. Did you know that in just a few days, these eggs will hatch into larvae, similar to the tiny angels of the mosquito species? They are ready for the first step in their journey. If your house has a lot of dense trees, be careful because cool and damp places like these are ideal hiding spots for mosquitoes. In urban areas, clogged drains, uncovered trash bins, or forgotten items that can accumulate water, such as old tires or bottles, also create ideal breeding environments for mosquitoes. With the ability to transmit many dangerous diseases, mosquitoes have been causing millions of illnesses and deaths each year. They are vectors for transmitting malaria, a highly fatal disease in many tropical countries, particularly in Africa. Additionally, mosquitoes are responsible for spreading dengue fever, Japanese encephalitis, Zika virus, and yellow fever. The danger doesn't always come from big things, does it? To protect the health and safety of ourselves and our families from the dangers caused by mosquitoes, we need to implement a range of effective mosquito prevention solutions. First and foremost, maintaining a clean living environment is crucial. Using mosquito nets is a simple yet effective measure to prevent mosquitoes from entering our sleep. When going outside, especially in the early morning or late afternoon when mosquitoes are most active, you should wear long-sleeved clothing to protect your skin. Using mosquito-repellent creams or sprays containing DEET or natural ingredients like citronella oil is also a good way to keep mosquitoes away. In high-risk areas, authorities and communities need to coordinate and conduct mosquito control campaigns to manage and reduce mosquito populations. By implementing these solutions, we can minimize the risk of mosquito-borne diseases and protect public health. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Good Knowledge channel so you won't miss the next interesting videos. Thank you and see you again.